This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Nied. Beautiful second floor 2-bed/2 bath condo in 4-story elevator building on the Kempsville Greens Golf Course. Newly renovated kitchen, bright and open floor plan. Screened-in balcony overlooking the golf course. New washer/dryer, air handler, and water heater. Non-brick exterior of the building was recently painted. Condo fees cover water, sewer, trash disposal, elevator, grounds maintenance, and homeowner's insurance. For more information, review the details below.